Hey everyone! Today we're going sledding and I want you to have the best sledding time possible. So what makes for good sledding? Well, friends, family, warm clothes, hot chocolate afterwards, and going really, really fast! And I have some science to help you with the going fast part. But first, we need to understand forces. A force is anything that pushes or pulls. There are lots of forces around you right now. Gravity is a force. It's the force that's pushing you into your chair right now. Gravity is why things float around in space, but not on Earth. There's less gravity in space than there is on Earth, less force pushing things down. When we go down the hill on our sled, gravity is what pushes us down. To go fast, we want to find a nice, tall, steep hill. Nice, tall hill for gravity to push us on, check. We can help gravity make us go faster by adding more weight. If there's more for gravity to push on, we'll go faster. So, have a family member join you on the sled. Adding more weight, check. We can also be a force ourselves. We can push off of the ground or have a parent push us down the hill. Remember, anything that pushes or pulls is a force. So, push off the ground, check. But there is one force that tries to stop us from going down the hill really fast, and that is friction. Friction is the force that happens between two objects that slide against each other. Think of it like when you put on socks and you try to slide your feet on the carpet. It's kind of hard, it's really stoppy, right? But if you have on your socks and you try to slide on the hardwoods, whoosh, slidey. There's much less friction there. The smoother two things are, the less friction there will be and the faster you can go. So let's look at our two objects. We have the sled and the snow. Those are the things sliding against each other. So the sleds are made to be pretty smooth. Generally they are. If you have a really old plastic sled, it might have some scratches and some dings on the bottom. A newer sled would probably be faster. Or I suppose you could try waxing it like surfers try to wax their surfboards maybe, I don't know. But the snow can either be bumpy or smooth. Nice fresh snow is sometimes harder to sled on because you can just sink right into it. So you might have to walk on the snow first to pack it down and then smooth it out to get a nice smooth slide down the hill. Me, I just like to roll down the hill a few times to pack it down and smooth it out. That's usually okay. It's also why you might go faster on your 10th time down the hill than on your first time. By that 10th time, that snow is very packed and very smooth. To go fast, we also need to reduce the force of friction by finding or making some nice, smooth snow. Check. Now, I think we have a pretty good idea of how to go really fast on our sled. Number 1, find a nice tall steep hill for gravity to push us down. Number 2, help out gravity by adding more weight and doubling up. Number 3, we are gonna push off the ground as hard as we can. And number 4, we're gonna make or find some nice, smooth, slidey snow. Oh, now I'm really excited to go sledding. Aren't you? Let's go try it out. Have fun and stay curious.